Okay.
My name's Jacob, and
Amber.
we did the Megalodon shark.
Okay. The size and what it eats. The length of the Megalodon was 53 feet long, and it had 180 teeth in its mouth, and they were each was 7 inches long. Yeah, and the bite force was around 182,000 newtons, and it lunched on large giant fish, other sharks, and large whales. Megalodon weighed more than 10 buses.
Unlike some marine predators, prehistoric times were restricted to coastlines or inland rivers and lakes of certain continents. Megalodon had a truly global distribution, terrorizing whales in warm water oceans all over the world. Apparently, the only thing keeping adult megalodons from venturing too far toward solid land was their enormous size. They would have been hunted severely like whales are and trapped. The megalodon was a huge, relentless, and apex predator of the Pliocene. There's no lack of theories. Megalodons may have been doomed by global cooling or by gradual disappearance of the giant whales. They constituted the bulk of its diet. Sharks were constantly shedding their teeth. That's why they had so many. They were the only sharks that had a fourth row of teeth. Because most of them could get up to 53 feet or up to 72 feet, which would mean they would have to have bigger teeth to get the whales, and they would bite off the fins of them to take them down so whales couldn't swim away. In the picture right there, it's of a megalodon biting off one of the fins of a giant whale, and both those two pictures are of one of its teeth. That's the last one that it would be having, and that's the second one it would have. And then that's the largest recorded great white, and then that is the lowest average estimate for the megalodon, and then the upper average estimate for the megalodon, and then it shows it compared to a human, so that would show that it would easily.
De-extinction of the Megalodon. The extinction of the Megalodon is not known, but I predict that they died when food went out, or other Megalodons killed younger ones and ending up extinct.
Megalodon was the biggest shark that lived and was the only shark that was able to take down a whale by itself.